server error in Battlebird? Here are 10 easy ways to fix it fast. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. A weak connection can stop the game from connecting to the server. Turn airplane mode on and off. Enable airplane mode for 10 seconds and then disable it again. This refreshes your network and fixes temporary connection issues. Restart your device. Sometimes background bugs cause the game to stop working correctly. Restart your phone or PC and open the game again. Switch your network. Try changing from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Some networks work better with gaming servers. Close background apps. Too many apps running in the background can slow your device. Close unnecessary apps before starting the game. Disable VPN or proxy VPNs can increase ping or block server connections. Turn them off and reconnect to the game normally. Clear game cache. Corrupted cache files can create connection problems. Clear the cache from your device settings safely. Update the game. Older game versions may not support the latest servers. Check for updates in the Play Store or App Store. Check server status. Sometimes the problem is from the game servers themselves. Wait a few minutes and try connecting again later. Reinstall the game. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Battlebird. A fresh installation can fix damaged or missing files. Try these fixes and your game should work smoothly again.